Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Narti Letsoin. You can call me Narti. Here, I will read synopsis. The title of the film is Before the Flood. This is an American documentary film related to climate change that is happening in part of the world. This film also that's about climate change due to human action that have an impact on the environment. This film was starred by Mr. Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo visited several countries which are considered to be the large carbon contributor countries, including China, as the world's largest manufacturing exporting country. Then Leonardo also visited India as the third largest carbon contributor country. However, the woman's main response is that the largest carbon contributor in the world, namely the United States, is seen from its development. The, the reason is India are there are 300 people who have not got access to electrical energy. This means that it does not really affect climate change. However, the communities are emitting climate change, as seen from their agricultural output which valued due of flooding. The sad thing is that forest building is carried out with precision from the government. It is very clear that climate change is very decided, designed by the government on the basis of their interests. Leonardo DiCaprio also visited several industry countries that build various technologies that were decided environmentally friendly, such as robots that could save battery. The robot is considered as an effort to rebut the use of fossils. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.